In this video, you'll learn how to convert XRP to pounds on Binance. By following these steps, you will successfully exchange your XRP for British pounds, allowing for more flexibility in your trading activities. Begin by opening your web browser and navigating to the Binance website. Once there, locate the Login button, usually found at the top right corner of the homepage. Click on this button and enter your account credentials to access your Binance account. If you encounter a prompt requiring two-factor authentication, complete that step to proceed. After logging in, direct your attention to the main menu where you will find various trading options. Hover over or click on the Trade tab to expand your options. From the drop-down menu, select the Converge option. This will open the conversion tool, which is designed for... Once the Convert tool is displayed, you will see fields prompting you to select the asset you wish to convert. Click on the field that allows you to choose your asset and type in XRP. Select XRP from the list that appears. This action indicates that you want to convert XRP into another currency. Next, look for the section that allows you to choose the currency you wish to receive. In this field, select GBP to indicate that you want to convert your XRP into British pounds. After selecting pounds, enter the specific amount of XRP you wish to convert in the designated input box. Ensure that the amount entered is correct, as this will determine how much you will receive. After you have entered the amount, review the exchange rate displayed on the screen. Confirm that you are satisfied with the rate and the amount of pounds you will receive. It is important to note that exchange rates can fluctuate, and you should confirm your conversion before the time limit expires. Once you're ready, click on the Confirm button to finalize the conversion. After this action, the system will process your request. Upon successful conversion, you should check your fiat wallet to verify that your pounds has been updated accordingly. This confirmation ensures that your transaction has been completed accurately and that the funds are now available for your use. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.